Hi everyone, our project is underwater K-means clustering segmentation using SVM classification. Now let's see what is image processing is. It's a kind of digital processing in which the input is an image and output can be any signal or an enhanced image. Mostly the underwater images suffer from a greater noise. Hence in our project we are going to recognize the underwater images. For the image segmentation, we use an algorithm called the K-means clustering segmentation. Now let's move on to the project. Open the MATLAB software and you'll see a row called current folder in that the path of the file is displayed. Select the path where your file is located. In the left corner, the files will be displayed. In that, select the underwater.m file. A run button is displayed in the toolbar. Click it. A GUI will be displayed. In that, many access boxes are present. These access boxes are actually used to display the output of images after each process. The processes are kept as buttons here. There are also many buttons like clear, close, like you can clear or reset the access boxes. Now click the browse button. A dialog box will appear in which there are many input images. We can select any input image and click the open button. The input image will be displayed in the access box. Now click the filter button. As soon as the filter button is pressed, all the image sizes will be made to 250 into 250 size, so that it will be easier to process, and it will be converted to a grayscale image so that only two colors are there and it will be very easy for processing. After the image is filtered, the noise will be removed from the input image, as we can see clearly. Actually, filtering is removing noise, and we use median filter for removing noise. What is median filter is? It's just the middle value of all the entries in the window, and it's just sorted numerically. Now click the K-means button. K-means is a method of vector quantization. What happens in K-means algorithm is we'll compute the intensity distribution of the intensities. We'll initialize the centroids with the K random intensities. This is repeated until the cluster labels of the image doesn't change anymore. The output of the K-means clustering is displayed. Now click the morphological button. In morphological operations, it's just a structuring element to an input image. It creates an output image of the same size. There are two basic morphological operations. Those are dilation and erosion. Dilation adds pixels to the boundaries of the object in an image, while erosion removes pixels on object boundaries. Now click the enhancement button. An enhanced image of the input image is displayed. Now click the feature extraction. The feature extraction is done using HOG algorithm. HOG is histogram of oriented gradients. This technique counts the occurrences of gradient orientation in a localized portion of an image. The essential thought behind this algorithm is it is that local object appearance and shape within an image can be described by the distribution of intensity gradients or the edge directions. As soon as the feature extraction is completed, click OK button. Now click the classification button. For classification, we use SVM classifier. This is the final step. This SVM is support vector machine classifier, and it is a binary classifier. The SVM classifier makes decisions upon the training of the images, and it describes whether it's a plant or human being. In our project, we are going to find which type of plant and what is the use of it. As soon as we click the classification button, a window will open displaying what is the name of the plant and its binomial name, and what is the description of it or its use. Thank you.